In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a delete icon in Figma in just a few simple steps. This is a quick and easy method using a free icon plugin, so whether you're designing a website, an app, or just building a UI mockup, you'll be able to add a clean delete icon in seconds. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more practical Figma tutorials. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open Figma and go to your design file. You can start in an existing project or create a new one if you want to test things out. Once your Figma design file is open, look at the bottom toolbar and find the Actions icon. Click on that, then choose Plugins and Widgets from the menu. This is where you can access tools that help you speed up your design workflow. Now in the search bar, type Iconify. Iconify is one of the most useful plugins in Figma because it gives you access to thousands of icons without needing to manually create them yourself. After you find it, click to open the plugin. If it's your first time using it, Figma may take a moment to load it, but that's completely normal. Once Iconify is open, use the search bar inside the plugin and type delete. As soon as you search, you'll see a list of delete-related icons appear. You can browse through the options and choose the one that best fits your design style. For example, you might want a trash can icon, a close icon, or a simple delete symbol, depending on the user interface you're building. After you find the icon you want, just drag and drop it directly into the canvas. That's it. The icon is now placed in your Figma design and you can move it, resize it, and style it however you like. You can also change its color, align it with other elements, or place it inside a button or menu item for a more polished layout. If you want to keep your design consistent, try using the same icon style across the entire project. For example, if your interface uses outlined icons, choose an outlined delete icon instead of a filled one. That small detail can make your design look much more professional and intentional. And that's how you create a delete icon in Figma using Iconify. It's fast, simple, and perfect for designers who want to save time while building clean interfaces. If this tutorial helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Figma tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.